Start. Test passes. I congratulate you for clearing the Civil Services and Engineering Services examination and making it to the prestigious services. Your presence here speaks of your hard work, determination, and perseverance. I am impressed to know about the comprehensive training imparted to you, giving you an overall perspective about the goals of the country. I am confident that you are ready to give your best as public servants committed to the cause of the country and the fellow citizens. I believe that young minds like you have the energy, creativity, potential, and the spark to contribute in the endeavors of making India a developed nation. Dear officers of Indian Ordnance Factories Service, India has embarked on the journey to achieve the goal of an inclusive and developed nation. You all know that the indigenous industries have a huge role in making a self-reliant, competitive, and a robust economy. The campaigns and initiatives like Atam Nirbhar Bharat, Make in India, Startup India, and National Skill Development Mission are some of the major programs which are intended to serve this purpose. The government has taken several policy initiatives in the past few years and brought in reforms to encourage indigenous design, development, and manufacturing of defense equipment. The initiatives, such as according priority to procurement of capital items from domestic sources under Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020, simplification of industrial licensing process, liberalization of foreign direct investment FDI policy, launch of mission deaf space, and launching the portal Citizen to facilitate indigenization and establishment of two defense industrial corridors are aimed to achieve self-reliance in defense sector. You will be the movers and facilitators of indigenization in defense systems and would be expected to work towards enhancing India's defense production capabilities. Dear IOFS officers, we know that India's defense exports have risen from rupees 686 crore in 5-year financial year 2013-14 to nearly rupees 16,000 crore in financial year 2022-23. India's defense exports have reached more than 85 countries, and India's defense industry has shown to the world its capability of design and development. I am glad to know that today nearly 100 firms export defense products. India now exports a wide range of defense products, including aircraft like the Dornier 228, BrahMos missiles, Pinaka rockets and launchers, radars, simulators, etc. The global demand for India's indigenous products, such as the LCA Tejas, aircraft carriers, and MRO activities, is also increasing. Dear young officers, it is imperative that while discharging your duties, you actively participate in the development programs and facilitate the process of making India a defense manufacturing hub. Dear officers of Indian Defense Accounts Service, you will be playing a vital role in managing the financial aspects of the country's armed forces. You will be responsible for ensuring efficient financial management and accountability within the defense sector. I am confident that with your professional integrity and based on your robust training modules, you will be able to promote financial prudence in defense forces and contribute significantly in nation building. I urge you to adopt latest techniques and methods for auditing, and accounting for bringing in greater transparency and accountability in the functioning of defense systems. I am happy to note that Controller General of Defense Accounts has taken the initiatives named SPARS, the System for Pension Administration, Raksha, under the aegis of Ministry of Defense, which aims at providing comprehensive end-to-end solution to provide pension to defense pensioners in line with the government's vision of digital India and direct benefit transfer. Dear young officers, you have joined your services at a time when the country is undergoing extensive transformation at local as well as global level. With the emergence of new technologies and with latest techniques and information spreading at a fast pace in every part of the world, your role in the making of a developed nation and making India globally competitive will become even more important. Your thoughts, decisions, and actions will contribute in a big way in shaping the future of defense systems and the country. I am sure that you will rise to the challenges and enrich the institutions you work for. Thereby, you will contribute to achieving our national objectives. I wish you all a very bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.